Oink, 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 yo, 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 yoink, oink, 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 oink. Oh, this is so good. I like being part of this group. Hey, Puma. Ow. Hey, yes. Yeah. I want to show you something. Show me something? Sure thing. Come with me. I think you're gonna like this. Oh boy. Wow. Oh man. Stupid fall down place. Alright then. I'm all here and, Who are all these guys? I'm Redbird Pilot. I'm the Merch Gamer. I'm Bluebird 2011. But Bubba Dillweed. I'm Jurassic Hunter 111. And I'm MLP Stella. I don't want to pronounce my name. All these people, I'm so confused. Are these guys your friends? Yeah. Some of them are subscribers. Some of them are my good friends. I'm one of his good friends. I think I'm a subscriber. I think I'm one of his good friends. I'm just a subscriber. I'm one of his good friends, so am I. I'm just maybe a possible subscriber. So, Bomb, you like this? You like all these people? I don't think he liked us. Well, that was rude. Oh my god. I just gotta watch Splatoon, yeah. Much better. I'm just sitting here, mind my own business. Puma, the toilet's clogged again. Okay, y'all go get it. Ow. Toilet's clogged. Ugh. Yep. Time to have a look at this thing. Huh? Oh. There's something in there. Okay. Time to see what's in there. What's up? What? I'm just your friendly neighborhood Bubba Dillweed. Don't be shy, old failer. I'm not gonna hurt you. Huh? Oh, how did they get in the hut? Oh wait, they've always been in that hut before.
I've been watching your videos a lot lately.
Yeah, is that so? Funny how you say that. My sword can deal a lot of damage. Why is that stupid little redbird talking to my girlfriend?
My specialty is driving a plane.
Oh. See? I even have my own license. That's very nice. Honey! Oh, gotta go. Darn it. Honey Bunch, why were you talking to that stupid pilot? 'Cause he's nice. 'Cause he's nice. I don't care. Don't talk to him. Okay. I can't live with all this. I gotta get out of here. What? Nobody cares about you. Ah! I'm going away and never coming back.